Hey people, remember how I told you my camera was acting up? Well, I had to reset my whole time camera thing. And, you know, I'm getting sick and tired of these subscribers and views. Y'all need to start viewing and subscribing to me. And if y'all don't, I'm gonna quit my YouTube. Because I'm down to 5 views. 5 views, 5 everything, 0 favorites, 0 commenters. Y'all need to keep this stuff up because y'all need to keep subscribing and doing all that stuff. I subscribed to 49 people already. Nerf boy, like Nerf people, airsoft people, bike people. 49 people, and y'all see how y'all treat me. 5 views, and my sister has had her YouTube longer than me, but guess what? We got them on the same day, and she's now had 1,000, 100 and something views, 156. So I want people to start giving me more, you know, views and comments. So start giving me things.